everybody, my name is Emmy Klein and I am the resident artist here at Jerry's Artarama and the host of Jerry's Live. Today I wanted to talk to you about this new Artfinity Synthesis paper. This stuff is so cool. Now, this Artfinity Synthesis paper is a synthetic multimedia paper, which means it's a polypropylene blend. Now, it is 74 pounds and acid-free and comes in these 4 sizes. We have the 5x7, the 9x12, the 11x14, and a 20x26 for those people who want to go real big. Now, for me as an artist, what makes me so excited about this is that every time I see these, I just think about all the different ways that I can experiment with the products that I'm already very familiar with. Watercolors, alcohol ink, acrylics, even drawing materials. You can do graphite, oil pastels, dry pastels. Just the sky is the limit with this paper. And for those of us as artists, when you're so familiar with how the paper reacts to your art supplies, as well as the canvas, and then you get something new, it's like everything that we've already learned, we get to relearn and experiment with it in a whole new different way. Every time I pick these up, I am excited about the new ways that I'm going to be layering them, exploring the ways that the media reacts to the paper, because it's not absorbent at all. Everything sits right on that surface, so all of your pigments don't absorb, the colors don't get duller, they're going to stay that really nice vibrant that you see on your palette, and it's going to just be a totally different art experience. The surface is super smooth, and the best part about it is that if you have a mistake or something that you don't like, you can actually erase it right back out. I hope you guys get a chance to grab this new Artfinity Synthesis paper at jerrysartarama.com and just go explore your art supplies and get creative.